Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video. And if you are heard this with this video, it means your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. You have tried a lots of videos to unlock your smartphone, but still now you're not a success to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all the new method, but in going to give you this in this video. Your smartphone will will be unlocked 100%. Definitely you can see this phone is unlocked due to forgotten pattern locked, and somebody has been locked this phone on and forgotten its password. So you may also use this method to unlock your smartphone, but this method is known as offline unlocking method. So for firstly you will have to switch off. Okay, so let's start this method on. Before a starter has this method on one of more things. So I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this so methods fully completely on offline mode. So firstly your phone's battery should be charged, and at least otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone charges. At time of using this unlocking, you have to open your emergency all options, and when this page comes on your mobile, now after some important codes, or you will have to important fits and a special US code which will your phones to the master unlocking mode page. And this US code is the very important to give you and swap the come to in page lock page, your phone lock page. Let's see between down to between to under the password to emergency call button, and see the emergency call only page. Come emergency call only page to give you US code for very important for code your phone mobile is very US code very important for your mobile, very easily unlocked. So see the code is C code this very star 045568236589 star has call failed, ignore. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 time call after code delete, and last code and second last code is very important code. Star has 8985996 star has and star has 2356 star has call fail, ignore. Is 7 time call 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 time call is code delete. This code is what 7 time code after code is delete, and last code is very important code for your phone is very easily unlocked. Star has 899 or has be clicked come engineer mode page. So see fourth number manual test button, click scroll divide the wing, come to divide the wing page, and see sensor of test that click it, and one by one to click 7 time to 3 तीनों 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 time click, and back to come to gyroscope cell tested to see the pass to back, and to aim sensor auto test click, see the test successfully pass back. Last option is other option, all process passes या not. See to all process pass या not, या this phone is easily unlock या not. reading. How to check the reading a reset complete indicator, click. So see the all process passes. This phone is very easily unlocked. This phone is very easily unlocked. To see the all process passes, see the all process pass, this phone is very easily unlocked. So how to check the between the home, see the between the home button, click up. See this phone is clear, this phone is very unlocked. And see all data is available, all app is available, no any app deleted, all data app is available, no any app deleted, all data, see the all data is available, no any data deleted. So this phone is very easily unlocked. Your phone is unlocked. Please subscribe the channel and video like. Thanks for watching.